Hi everyone, this is Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, and today I'm doing something a bit different. I am doing a well-being Christmas hamper with Amanda Oak Ince. I'm collaborating with her today, so make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let's crack on with the video. Hi, I'm back again. So I've picked up this basket here. I'm gonna make as the hamper, the well-being. So I'm gonna put in this here, this rose shower gel. I hope it balanced all right. Yep. And also going to put this foot pack as well, tea tree peppermint, which it'd be nice for the feet, and all the rest of it. And I'm also going to put in this coconut here face mask. So yeah, putting that in there as well. And I'm also going to put in these gloves as well, these here. So I'm just wrapping them so it stays there. And I'm putting this foot scrub in here. And this little candle that I had for a while hidden away for special occasions like this. So that's one basket down, and this one is under £10 as well for this basket of well-being stuff anyway. So yeah, so that'd be a nice hamper for somebody for the Christmas. So I just thought I'd show you. So this is £1. And these are like £1 each for each of these things. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is make it 7 altogether. So that's not bad. So that's £7 for this one here. So I'm just going to put this to the side. So I'm going to use this basket here from POUNDLAND actually. Well, it's not a basket, it is a vanity case. So I really do like this, and it's also nice to give as a gift as well. So yeah, and it's got like the handle and it's velvety. So yeah, that is one. Well, this was £5 for this, and I'm gonna put this shower gel in here as well, and that is like £1 for that, and that's the coconut. And I'm gonna put in this hand one as well. Yeah, it's good for the hands with shea butter, so which is really good. And also this honey and almond foot pack is what I'm going to put in here. And I'm going to put in this back scrub thing, which is really good. So I took the packaging off of this anyway. So yeah, and this is under £10 as well. As you can see, this was £5 to the vanity case, and £1 each for the foot pack and the shea butter hand moisturizer, and the shower gel is £1, and this loofah is £1 as well. So yeah, I think this is really good going, you know, under £10. That is really good. So that altogether it's £9, really good still. So yeah, I just like to show you all these things that you can get as a gift for someone that you love. Yeah, so I'll be back soon again. So basically, I would like to just say, you know, a big thank you to Amanda Oak Ince for the well-being collaboration, for making this hamper. So make sure you like and subscribe, as well as leave a comment on her channel, as well as make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So I really appreciate it if you all, you know, keep it going. I know you see me like a couple times now, yeah, for the weekend. So I just thought I'd show you all these stuff, you know, and it'd be just like a nice gift idea. I just thought, you know, so yeah. and under budget as well, so which is good. So I will see you next time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.